Feeling nervous in an automatic car? Many beginners freeze up when they first sit in an automatic car, wondering how it even moves without a clutch. Fact from driving schools: over half of new drivers say their first fear is pressing the wrong pedal. Solution is simple, buddy. Automatics are built to reduce stress. You just need to know the basics. Tip: take a deep breath and look at your pedals. Only 2 pedals, gas on the right and brake on the left. Next, let's uncover the secret behind those gear letters. Looking at the gear shift can feel like solving a puzzle. Fact: almost all automatic cars worldwide use the same pattern. So once you learn it, you're set for life. Solution: P is park, R is reverse, N is neutral, and D is drive. Some cars also have L or S for special cases. Tip: memorize this order before even starting the engine so your hand moves naturally later. Next, we'll start the car the right way without panic. Many new drivers twist the key or press the button and panic when nothing happens. Fact: most modern cars have a safety lock that only allows the engine to start if the brake is pressed. Solution: always press the brake with your right foot before starting. That's your golden rule. Tip: keep the gear in P when starting so the car doesn't move unexpectedly. You're doing great already, buddy. Remember, confidence grows with each step. Next, let's move forward without jerks. Ever seen beginners make the car jump like a kangaroo? That's because they slam the gas pedal. Fact: automatic transmissions are designed to roll forward gently once you release the brake. Solution: after shifting to D, slowly release the brake. Let the car roll on its own before touching the gas. Tip: practice this in an empty parking lot to get a feel for it. Next, let's learn how to stop without throwing everyone forward. Sudden braking can make passengers bump forward. Fact from AAA: smooth braking improves safety and reduces brake wear. Solution: release the gas early, then gently press the brake until you stop completely. Tip: look far ahead so you can slow down gradually instead of last second. Next, we'll talk about reversing with confidence. Reversing scares many beginners because the steering feels tricky. Fact: when reversing, the rear wheels push the car, so you must turn the wheel in the direction you want the back to go. Solution: always stop fully before shifting into R, then move slowly. Tip: use mirrors and also turn your head to check blind spots. Buddy, you're learning fast. Every pro once stood where you are now. Next, parking like a champ. Parking is often the scariest part for new drivers. Fact: over 70% of beginners struggle with space judgment during parking. Solution: approach slowly, line up your car with the space, and adjust as needed. Tip: if unsure, stop, straighten the wheel, and try again. No rush, no shame. Next, let's deal with uphill starts. Rolling back on a slope can make your heart race. Fact: many cars now come with hill start assist that holds the brake for a moment after you release it. Solution: keep your foot on the brake, shift into D, then press the gas before lifting the brake. Tip: if no hill assist, use the handbrake to hold until you move. Next, let's explore manual mode in automatics. Some automatics have a manual or sport mode. Fact: this lets you control gears for better performance on hills or overtaking. Solution: use lower gears for uphill or downhill and higher gears for cruising. Tip: shift only when the engine sounds ready, don't force it. You're leveling up, buddy. Stay patient. Every lesson builds skill. Next, neutral versus park. Many beginners mix up neutral and park. Fact: park locks the transmission. Neutral just disconnects the engine from the wheels. Solution: use park when leaving the car. Neutral only when waiting briefly with the engine running. Tip: always use the handbrake when parking, even on flat roads. Next, let's get on the highway with confidence. Highways feel intense for beginners because of speed. Fact: automatic cars make highway driving easier by shifting smoothly on their own. Solution: merge at steady speed and stay in the slower lane until comfortable. Tip: keep a safe distance from the car in front. Next, changing lanes safely. Lane changes can be scary when traffic is fast. Fact: smooth signaling and gradual moves cut accident risk by 40%. Solution: check mirrors, signal early, and glide into the lane without sudden jerks. Tip: never cross multiple lanes at once. Buddy, you've got courage. Keep your cool, you're becoming a real driver now. Next, traffic jam survival. Stop-and-go traffic can make beginners stressed. Fact: automatics are better here since you don't need to clutch in and out. Solution: keep your foot lightly on the brake. Let the car crawl when needed. Tip: In long stops, shift to N and use the handbrake to rest your foot. Next, driving in the rain. Rain makes roads slippery and reduces visibility. Fact: wet surfaces reduce tire grip by up to 30%. Solution: slow down, avoid sudden moves, and increase following distance. Tip: turn on headlights so others can see you. Next, driving at night. Dark roads can be intimidating. Fact: low light reduces reaction time by almost a quarter. Solution: use headlights properly and keep your windshield clean. Tip: look slightly to the right to avoid glare from oncoming headlights. You're doing amazing, buddy. Driving is not just about skills, but also mindset. Next, emergency handling. Flat tire, sudden stop, or unexpected hazard, panic is normal. Fact: staying calm improves reaction decisions dramatically. Solution: slow down, guide the car safely, and pull over when possible. Tip: practice emergency stops in an empty space so your body remembers. Next, saving fuel while driving automatic. Gas can be expensive if you drive carelessly. Fact: smooth driving can save up to 15% on fuel. Solution: avoid sudden acceleration or braking. Tip: anticipate traffic so you can glide more. Next, taking care of your gearbox. Your transmission is the soul of an automatic. Fact: regular fluid checks keep it healthy for years. Solution: follow your car's service schedule. Tip: never switch between R and D while moving. Next, preparing for long trips. Beginners often forget car prep. Fact: proper checks cut breakdown risks by more than half. Solution: check tires, fluids, and brakes before leaving. Tip: always carry water, tools, and a spare tire. You're almost at the finish line, buddy. Now let's wrap this up strong. Driving an automatic is about calm, patience, and practice. Solution: keep learning step by step and respect the road. Tip: don't rush yourself. Every safe drive makes you better. Like, share, comment your driving experience. Consult a medical professional if you have any health condition that may affect driving.